Good morning, children. This is Shilpa here. In today's session, I will recite a poem from our English textbook, The Land of Storybooks. The name of the poem, children, The Land of Storybooks, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. See, children, Robert Louis Stevenson. He was a Scottish novelist, poet, essayist, and travel writer. His most famous works are Treasure Island, Kidnapped. Okay? Now let us start the poem. The Land of Storybooks. At evening, when the lamp is lit, around the fire my parents sit. They sit at home and talk and sing, and do not play at anything. Now, with my little gun, I crawl all in the dark along the wall and follow round the forest track away behind the sofa back. They the night where none can spy. All in my hunter's camp I lie and play at books that I have read till it is time to go to bed. These are the hills, these are the woods, these are my starry solitudes. And there is the river by whose brink the roaring lions come to drink. I see the others far away, as if in firelit camp they lay, and I, like to an Indian scout, around their party prowled about. So, when my nurse comes in for me, home I return across the sea and go to bed with backward looks at my dear land of storybooks. Children, in this poem, the poet talking about dreams. One day at evening, my parents sit by the fireside. They were talking and singing, but not playing with him. So the boy crawled with his gun along the wall behind the sofa. Observe here, children. He is thinking or assuming himself as a hunter, moving round the forest track where no one can see him. He is in hunter's camp playing with the books that he read before going to bed. What happened in the next? In the night, he is thinking of the hills, forest, stars in the sky, feeling all alone. See here. And he sees the roaring lions come to drink water at the river brink. Brink means, children, edge. River edge. Okay. He also visits other hunters' camp secretly, dressed like an Indian scout while they were partying. So, when his nurse comes in for him, he returns from his dream across the sea and goes to bed looking backward at his dear land of storybooks. That is the poem, children. Once we will see the rhyming words of the poem. Rhyming words means, children, same pronunciation but different meaning, different spelling. Okay. Once here see end of the line, lit, sit, sing, anything. Sing anything. Next stanza. Crawl, wall, track, back. Same pronunciation. Observe. In the next stanza, spy, lie, spy, lie. Red, bat, red, bat. Woods, solitudes, woods, solitudes. Brink, drink, brink, drink. Moving on to next page. Away, lay, away, lay. Scout about, scout about. Here, me, see, me, see. Looks, books, looks, books. These are the rhyming words of the poem. Okay children, that's all for today's session. Everyone try to read the poem. Thank you.